Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing the unboxing of this Ecoflow River Pro 2, and I'll just go over like the feature it has, what it comes with, and I'm probably going to do a little bit of testing, see what it can run with, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get started with the. So as you can see right here, this is the it has the capacity is 768 watt hours, and the 4 AC output 800, and you can charge this really fast, 70 minutes fully recharge, and it uses the lifepo4 batteries. And you can see right here all the model number, the date that it was manufactured, the weight, and all the stuff. And let's see what else over here. It says right here, faster recharging speed than ever. It can charge 0 to 100% in 70 minutes. Okay, and that's like 5 times faster than the competition. And it uses LFP batteries. So this one you can charge this and discharge 3,000 cycles, and then you're still gonna have about 80% of it. So let's do the unboxing. So I already opened this, but this has the manuals right here. And then it has this box. Inside it has this cables, AC cable. It has the little ones. There's this bag here. And it has the car cigarette cable that you can charge while in the car. All right, put that aside. All right, so I just plugged in the AC outlet, and as you can see, the input watts is increasing right now. I don't know how much it can go up to, but it's 600, 800. And it tells you really nice and clear, like it will take 54 minutes for it to charge. And it tells you percentage where the status is at right now is at 20%. So it can go up to 8, maybe 1,000. So right now I have this outlet into like another outlet. So I don't know if that makes a difference, but I'll wait for about a minute or two, and then I'll plug this in straight into the wall outlet to see if it makes a difference. You can see now I could hear the fan speed turning on already. All right, so this stated that if you use with the, you can see from the app, it can say to charge up to 940 watts. But first I plug it into like another adapter, and power surge actually, and now I insert it straight into the wall, and I only get like 890, 896, 888. So it doesn't go all the way up to 940. Okay, so now I plug all of the my GoPro, my AirPod Pro, my iPad Pro 4th generation, and my Google Pixel, everything into the 4 outlet, and it shows here output is 14 watts. To me that seems slow, or that's not a lot. It should be more than that. And as you can see right now, the percentage done, it's at 47 minutes, 47% increase from 22, and the remaining time is 39 minutes. Okay, so I removed the AirPod Pro and put it in my wife's iPhone 13 Pro Max, And the output wattage now is like shows 18 and 19. So assuming this one, what, 5 watts, 5 watts, 5 watts, that's 15, plus that one, that's another, what, 5? I don't know, but that's what it shows. I can charge all 4 devices at the same time. And let's see what else. Okay, so right now, I just put my blender in it with a little bit of ice and water and into the AC outlet. This one is supposed to, 800 watts, but we can max it out with the X boot to 1,600 watts. So right now we're gonna see if it's gonna turn on. Go for it. Okay, to this. The output is only 250, but I think the surge was a little bit more. Okay, can you turn it off? Okay, now let's try do it again. Press. Okay, so you can see here this blender, this is a Ninja blender. So it's 1,100 watts. And with this power station, it can run easily. Go ahead and press it. That's max speed. No issue. You can see right here, the wattage did increase 334. So yeah, so this one can easily run the blender, no problem. Okay, so this is the air fryer that we usually use to cook like French fries, whatever we need, chickens, and so we're gonna test it on this one to see. Okay, so my wife just turned it on. As you can see, it surged right away to over 800, and this one can take it like a champ. So output 876 watts. And according to, you can see right here, it says that this has 50% left and it can run this thing for 19 minutes. So not bad. So like almost 900 watts with the air fryer. No issue. Yeah, but for 20 minutes. So you try the maximum too. Yep. Maximum right there. So man, this thing is a beast. No kidding. So right now we have the function as broil, and then we go to toast. We go to bake, which is turned to bake right here. So that gave it up to all the way to 864. And go bake and air fry. I guess it has the running the air too. So yeah. So like. No, it's about 8, 7. Not bad. Yeah. Oh, right now it says overload. You can see that? Yeah, the air fried it turns off. Okay. So earlier like we tried to test it and we put it like air fry all the way and okay, so we tried over there with the air fryer. It started, but I think it only lasted for maybe about a minute. And then it shuts off. And so this one, as you can see, even though it says 1,100 watts, but it actually that's probably surge, and it'll only maintain about 300 something. So for sure, this one right here, power station, you can run it with the blender. But with the air fryer, it will not. Okay, so you can run something like maybe a little bit lighter. Okay, so right now, this is my portable power station that I created, or that I made. So now I'm gonna plug it in, and we're gonna see as if we're in the vehicle and see how much does it charge. I think this one, it can only take about maybe 100 watts. Shows input watts 94. coming from that thing. So basically with this one right here, you can charge this in your vehicle as long as it has a cigarette outlet like that, and you can charge it. And it's like 95 to 100 watts. Not bad at all. And it says right here it takes about 5 hours for it to complete the cycle at 46%. So if we're at 0, probably going to be about 10 hours more or less right there. So it's best to charge it with the through the AC outlet. So right now with the AC input, I'm going to stick in the this one right here too. See how much we get. Is it going to go over 1,000? See, even I put in the cigarette outlet to charge it, and it only still maintained at 895. So it doesn't double charge, or it doesn't charge both of them. Let's see. No, it's just maintaining that. So I guess it doesn't go over 900, even though I charged both of them. Okay, so when I unplug the AC, then it goes down to 95 watts. Then it is, and this one will charge with the cigarette lighter in 95. But as soon as I plug in the AC outlet on the back over here, okay, and that thing, it only charges from the AC. See, the numbers go to 0, and now we go back up. Okay, so I plugged in my refrigerator, and let's turn it on, see if it can power it. So right now I just plug in the refrigerator and the freezer and see if it can power. Okay, so earlier it shows it what, like 800 watts. Now it's 15. It shows like in what, like 10 hours left. So this is coming from the manual. I think this Ecoflow has like many different languages. English is the first one, and I think maybe French or Germans. I don't know, but there's many other languages. I think they even have Korean too, or Chinese in here. Okay. A lot of languages. All this, right? And they got the 5-year warranty. Okay, so register there, contact for help, and they have the DIY instructions for solar panels of third-party connectors. So this, if you have your own solar panel and you want to connect it to the Ecoflow River, you can also do so. And this is the instructions. You need the solar charging. This one here, like from MC4 to XT60. Okay, and then you can charge it through the back of the port that I did earlier, and this is coming from your solar panel. It's not that hard, it's easy. And here, this is like more like a quick guide for it. So first one, power it on, off. You know, he has all the explanation for each numbers right there, power displays, all that stuff. And over here on how to charge the Ecoflow, so you can charge through the AC outlet. The thing with the AC outlet is pretty good because it's not like a brick, it's just like a regular cord. And you can also charge it with the solar panels here, and another one, and then you can charge it through this is the USB type C 100 watts. Okay, so you can charge it 3 ways like that too. And this is how many devices you can charge with the Ecoflow River. And also there's an app that you can download, and then you can, it's pretty easy. Once you download the app, you can just the first thing I think they ask you is to update it, the firmware, and I did it, and I think maybe in no more than 5 minutes on the updates, and it actually did everything by itself. During the updates, the screen I think flashes a couple of times, and since I had it connected to the outlet, it was charging and it would stop charging, and the light here blinks a couple of times, but other than that, everything's good. So I didn't have like the connector for the solar to show you guys to charge in the back and how much wattage would come in, but for as far as this power station, it's very portable, it's light, it has the handle on the back where you can carry it really nice and easy. Like I said earlier, with the AC plug, it doesn't come with a brick, it's just a regular AC, like a computer cable that you plug into the outlet. It's really nice and easy. The downside, it doesn't have the wireless charger on the top like some of others do, and it doesn't have the light like some do. But other than that, it has 4 AC outlet, and it has plenty of the other USB type C, type A that you can charge your laptop, tablet, your phones. There's more of like for anybody that wants to take this to go camping, like for a day here and there. And Ecoflow, they do sell like solar panels, foldable too, make it very portable, convenient for you guys if you guys want. But yeah, for this unit, I think about 600 something. Other than that, I really like it. It charges it through the AC is really fast. It's like what, almost 900 watts, and the regular cigarette about 100. But other than that, it's portable. The noise, let me bring it closer so you guys can hear the noise. I don't know if you can hear the noise. The fan is working right now. It's blowing air out right now, but only one side is blowing air. So overall, I think this is it's pretty nice, pretty neat. I have like a couple other portable power stations, but it's smaller than this one. I got one for like 266 watts, and the other one's like 300 watts. This one like 768 watts hours, so it's pretty good. But other than that, like the warranty, the name itself, Ecoflow, it's a brand name, and they give you a 5-year warranty. So if there's anything wrong with the unit, you know, you can contact the support and they'll take care of it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this unboxing and quick review. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.